Hello dear students, welcome to Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. This is Jigyasha Prajapati presenting here class 5th Computer Science video lectures of chapter 2 Computer Hardware and Software. Students, in the previous video of this chapter we have learnt about different topics of this chapter and the bookwork of this chapter. Now in this video we are going to cover up copywork of this chapter. Students, you have to complete the copywork of this chapter in neat and beautiful handwriting. Okay. Now we will start the discussion of this copywork. Chapter 2 Computer Hardware and Software. First question. Chapter 2 Computer Hardware and Software. Answer the following questions. First question we have, distinguish between hardware and software. Students, in this question you have to write down the difference between the hardware and the software. Okay. The answer is here you have to, first you have to write here hardware and here you have to write software. Okay. Now the first difference, the devices that we can touch and feel are called hardware. Students, we know the devices that you can touch or that you can feel are called the hardware. Okay. Whereas a collection of programs are called software. Collection of program को हम software कहते हैं. The examples of hardwares are monitor, mouse, etc. Okay. So monitor and mouse are the example of hardwares because we can see and we can feel the monitor and mouse. Okay. Whereas the example of softwares are MS Office, Windows 7, etc. Okay. Now we will move to our next question. Question number 2. What is a light pen? How is it different from a mouse? Light pen क्या होता है and light pen mouse से different कैसे है? Answer is, a light pen is a computer input device which allows the user to point to displayed object or draw on the screen. Student, light pen एक input device होता है. By using the light pen, you can point any object that will be displayed on the screen, or you can draw or you can write the text on the screen. Okay. Now we will see the difference between the light pen and the mouse. Okay. So here you have to write down light pen and here you have to write down mouse. Okay. Now the first difference we have, a light pen can directly select icons on a computer. Students, by using the light pen आप कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पे किसी भी आइकन को डायरेक्टली सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. Whereas a mouse can only control a pointer which appears on the screen. Students, by using the mouse we can only control the pointer which is available on the computer screen. Okay. So mouse के थ्रू आप pointer को control करते हैं. Next difference, by using light pen we can write the text. Students, we know by using the light pen you can easily write the text on the computer screen or on the monitor. Okay. Whereas by using mouse we cannot write the text, and we know by using the mouse we can't write the text on the computer. Okay. Because by using the mouse you can only click and point the object on the computer. Okay. Now we will move to our next question. Question number 3. Give 3 examples of storage devices. Storage devices के 3 examples दीजिए. Answer is, 3 examples of the storage devices are CD, DVD and pen drive. CD, DVD, pen drive, these are the examples of storage devices because they are used to store the data on the computer. Okay. Now we will move to our next question. Question number 4. What is application software? Write some examples. Application software क्या होता है? Examples लिखिए. Answer is, application software is used to perform a specific task on the computer. It helps the users to complete their tasks faster and efficiently. Students, application software को हम use करते हैं to perform the specific task. अगर आपको कोई भी specific task perform करना है, then we have to use the application software. Okay. Application software helps the users to complete their tasks efficiently and fastly. हम application software के through किसी भी task को बहुत ही जल्दी finish कर सकते हैं. MS Office, Notepad, WordPad, etc. are examples of application software. Students, we know MS Office, Notepad, WordPad, these all are the examples of the application software. Okay. Now we will move to our next question. Question number 5. Define system software. Also provide some examples of it. Students, in this question we have to define what is the system software with the examples. Okay. The answer is, system software is a type of computer program that is designed to run a computer's hardware and application programs. सो स्टूडेंट्स, सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर कंप्यूटर प्रोग्राम का एक टाइप होता है विच इज़ यूज टू रन द कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर एंड इट्स एप्लीकेशन ऑन द कंप्यूटर, ठीक है, जिसके थ्रू आप कंप्यूटर के हार्डवेयर को एंड किसी भी सॉफ्टवेयर को एग्जीक्यूट कर सकते हैं, रन कर सकते हैं ऑन द कंप्यूटर. Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8 are examples of system software. Students, we know system software is also known as operating system, and Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows XP, Windows 10, these all are the examples of the system software. Okay. So students, I hope you have understood the copywork of this chapter. Thank you students. Have a nice day.